Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Zoom to Make.com. First, go to the Make.com website and make sure you log it into your account. Now click on Create a new scenario to begin setting up your automation. In the search bar, tap Zoom and click on it when it appears. Then select the action Create a meeting. Next, click on Create a connection to link your Zoom account. Now click on Save and a new window will open. Sign into your Zoom account using your email and password or choose Continue with Google. Click on Accept Cookies if prompted. Choose your Zoom account and click Continue. Then check the box to give Make.com permission to access your Zoom account and click Allow. Once connected, you'll be asked to fill in the meeting details and enter the topic of the meeting. Then, select the meeting type, schedule or instant. Next, enter the duration in minutes, choose the correct time zone. After that, fill out any required fields. Finally, click on Save. Now, your Zoom account is successfully connected to Make.com and ready to use in your workflows. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.